Homework number 2 is going to be an application. Remember, we already did before a special calculator that shows a menu of 3 choices, summation from 1 to n, or an expression like 2 plus 3 to sum it, or a function, or ending the program. And this was the console for that guy, like here 3 choices and so on. We implemented that before. Please make sure that you already implemented it. In this program, we are going to rewrite the previous code, but using functions style. To make it easier for you, I already showing you what are these functionalities. The functionalities are some function print menu, which will print the menu choices and then read the choice from the user. Do not return unless you read already valid number from 1 to 3. The second function is a function that return the result from 1 to n and handle it. Then there is a function divide, takes 2 number and the operation to handle the float and integer division and to handle the zero operation. I made it a special function because there is a lot of logic here. And then the function expression, which is going to parse an input expression from the user like x plus y and return its components. And finally, the calculator interface is the function that is doing the whole logic. Like, for example, it is printing the menu, then doing if else on the choices and calling based on the choices. It's either calling choice number 1 or choice number 2 or terminating the program. If you feel like you don't understand really what are these functionalities, what is a flow, what is doing what, I'm just giving it for reference, for helping. Throw it all behind your back and write your own functionalities style. This is the target of the assignment. Be a good developer, provide docstring and comments for all of your functionalities. That's all.